Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video. I'm making a sound demonstration video for you today. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings. It's for this beautiful 16-inch buffalo skin Shamanic drum just here. Now this is on a 16-inch frame. It's made from Ashwood. It's got a lovely branch handle and it's laced here with artificial sinew. I put the date of birth on the inside, which was the 8th of May 2023 in Knighton Parish, UK, along with buffalo and ash, so you've always got that as a reference, and my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater and swap halfway through. This is a softer one, so we'll start with that one. Let's have a play, see what she sounds like. Lovely. And then the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this little video helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your Shamanic drum online. That's why I make these little videos, just to try and make it a little bit easier. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.